Barring a last-minute breakthrough, parts of the government will shut down at midnight. That would keep 800,000 non-essential federal workers home without pay. It could delay first-time home mortgages, slow airport security lines, and limit food safety inspections.
The military will continue to operate, but instead of paychecks, those in uniforms could get IOUs to collect pay at a later date. HUD would largely be shut down. Same with the Department of Interior, which means the national parks would also close. And if you're coming to Washington, the Smithsonian Museums and the zoo would be closed. The Department of Labor, Energy, Commerce, and the EPA are also expected to shut down. Some IRS functions would cease, but Social Security checks would still go out. And veterans could see their benefits affected.
I want to remind people what's at stake here if we do experience a shutdown. We have a list of things. What goes? 800,000 federal employees will be furloughed. We know that national parks, monuments closed, issues with passport applications, potentially student and home loans delayed.
Now it's time to take a look at this afternoon's market numbers where stocks are down over fear of a government shutdown.
Hours after the Senate voted to fund the federal government.
The bill as amended is passed.
News 8 checked the Senate vote and found Pennsylvania's senators are split. Democrat Bob Casey voting for the Senate bill and Republican Pat Toomey voting against the Democratic bill.